Hey, so do you want a nice size wall mirror, but you don't want to spend an arm and a leg at somewhere like Pottery Barn for like $500? Then stay tuned. I'll show you how I did this. 21 mirrors for $21. Yeah, at the Dollar Tree, y'all. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so first what I did, I went to Home Depot. I got these two boards. One is 2x2, the other one is 4x2. Together, they made 6 feet. That's what I wanted. So whatever length you want, you go and you get it. Let it work for you. But because I have two boards, I have to use these mending plates to just mend them together. Yeah. So while I'm here drilling, this would be the perfect time to go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and give this video a thumbs up if you like where this is heading. So I'm just drilling them together so that they can, just be one unit. You can use longer plates. If I had to do this again, I probably would use longer plates. But whatever works for you. You can use. I used like 6 of them. I think it was 6. We'll figure it out in a minute. All right, so I ended up using 4 of the mending plates. You can use more if you need to. And now I'm going to be putting on this hardware that allows the board to hang. And please be sure that your measurements are right. That's why I'm using this tape measure. That way I'm keeping them completely leveled and even, so that when you hang it, it also hangs leveled. I'm using some Gorilla Wood Glue to put right in the crevice of where the two boards met to ensure that they are stable. Alright, so I'm taking this outside so I can spray paint just the edges. Yes, I have my mask on, not just because of coronavirus, but because I am using these fumes and protecting my lungs and my sinuses. Alright, so I use 2 types of glue, the Loctite Premium Construction Adhesive and also the E6000 adhesive. I wasn't sure which one worked better, but both of them worked fairly well. So I laid down the mirrors in the placement that I want to glue them. I just wanted to make sure that they fit nice and look nice before I laid down the adhesive. But the good part about both of these adhesives is that they can be manipulated, so you can change the placement if it's not the way you really want it originally. It allows you to move around the mirrors. I ran out of the Loctite at the end of my project and realized that I had a whole professional size one in my garage the whole time. So I just went ahead and used the rest of it. I wish if I would have known it was there, I would have used it from the beginning. It made it so much easier. And if I were to do this again, I'd probably just go with that big one. All right, here it is. This is what it looked like. I let it lay down for about 24 hours so it can cure before I even moved it. But once I moved it, it was really nice and sturdy. And now it's time to go ahead and put it on the wall. So I take blue painter's tape and I lay it very evenly across. Make sure that it's leveled. And then I poke holes where the hangers are. Take that same blue tape and I put it up on the wall where I want the mirror to hang, and those same holes are going to be transferred onto my wall using a pencil. And I'm trying to make sure that I level that blue tape so that my mirror is hung straight. It's a little tedious, but take your time. It's worth it. It's a trick. It's a trick. Anytime you have to hang anything, just use the blue tape and make your holes and then transfer it over onto the wall. So you don't have to do too much measuring. And obviously, I'm drilling the holes. And I'm enlisting the help of Chrissy. It took about a full day to do, including the curing time that I wanted it to really set to make sure that it was dried. Yeah, overall, this was a quick and easy project. I hope you do go ahead and try it. And if you did like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, comment, and hit the notification bell. Until next time.